photos, faces, smiles, and friends. It looks like joy that never bends. A life so full, adventures bright, a world of laughter, hearts, and light. To anyone watching, I seem complete, with dancing feet and days so sweet. But truth lies deep when no one sees, in hollow rooms inside of me. I look like light, like hope, like grace, but tears live just behind my face. Outside I sparkle bright, untethered inside I'm barely put together. Inside I'm barely put together.
I shine so bright when I walk through a door. My laughter echoes, they all want more. Yeah, behind that glow my shadows creep, a darkness I'm too scared to keep. I come from pain, from trauma's hold, from stories that remain untold. The sadness hums beneath my skin, a storm that rages deep within.
I look like light, like hope, like grace, but tears live just behind my face. Outside I sparkle bright, untethered inside I'm barely put together. Inside I'm barely put together.
Anxiety burns through my chest, a restless ache that steals my rest. I smile, perform, pretend to thrive, while wondering how I'm still alive.
A few have seen the cracks below, the hidden parts I rarely show. They glimpse the truth behind the post, where emptiness is my ghost. I look like light, like hope, like grace, but tears live just behind my face. Outside I sparkle bright, untethered inside I'm barely put together. Inside I'm barely put together.
I don't always know why I hide behind the smile, but I do. Sometimes it's just easier than explaining the heaviness. People see the light and assume it means I'm okay, but they don't see the cost of carrying it.